today for the Bitcoin and crypto prices. And yes, guys, some big news about Bitcoin and crypto are breaking right now. Not from someone, not from somewhere, actually from Elon Musk. I will deep dive into the charts, talk about the price predictions I'm having right now. But more importantly, I want to show you some fundamental changes to Bitcoin which are going to completely blow your mind. I will show data, evidence and proof. Let's jump straight into it. And if you like these little bit different videos every now and then, not focusing too much on the single candle charts, but more importantly on crazy things happening in the market, like this video to a new all-time high, share, comment, whatever helps, make noise for the algorithm to show YouTube that this video is important. Thank you so much for that, guys. You are a force for good. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for your comments. And yes, of course, as always, we want to start on the charts. We want to start on the candlesticks, but I will very quickly switch over into the breaking news. Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin is basically doing what we've been talking about for the last few days or weeks. Nothing. But anyways, one good thing is that at this support line, Bitcoin did get the bounce and is right now getting positive green follow through. In accordance to this specific 12-year chart, Bitcoin should actually coil up, consolidate until January, the third week latest, and then get the breakout towards the upside or downside. In accordance to that chart, it should be towards the upside. I talked about that earlier. But this is not what we want to talk about here. I mean, dear ladies and gentlemen, and not even this is all I want to, I have so crazy things to share with you. Yesterday night, just a few hours ago, I was sharing Bitcoin breaking news. Elon Musk announces crypto payments on Twitter. Let me actually play you this little clip here.
And enable, if you want to have Twitter, enable both regular payments and fiat currency, and make it easier to transact with crypto.
Well, and you can see this went completely viral, 560,000 views within a few hours. This is because you are the most supportive and strongest crypto community in the world. But now, what does this mean? I mean, it's not the biggest surprise. Everyone knows Elon Musk is holding crypto. Everyone knows Elon Musk bought Twitter. So the most reasonable thing to assume would actually be that he will support crypto payments and make them actually widespread adoptable here throughout the whole app, right? And of course, Twitter has hundreds of millions of users, so this would be a pretty bullish, of course, bullish news. But let me actually show you something else. Let me actually deep dive here into this statistic. Willy Woo was actually posting Bitcoin took 6 months to get 1,000 users. 6 months in 2009 to just get 1,000. In the next 5 years, we got 1 million users. That is some exponential growth. But now listen, today, 13.8 years from the inception of Bitcoin, we have 300 plus million users, 4% of the world population. At the current growth rate, in 3 years, we would hit 1 billion users, 1 billion users. Ladies and gentlemen, if the growth rate continues like that, going to the adoption curves, you can see Bitcoin is basically nothing yet against the internet. It just started its parabolic run. The best is yet in front of us. And of course, things like Twitter drive adoption, things like Twitter enabling Bitcoin crypto payments. They drive the number of users actually being behind Bitcoin. And we all know that Bitcoin is getting over proportionally more valuable as more people are joining the network. 2 people in the network can just send back and forth. 3 people already can send in a triangle. 4 people and so on. It's exponential growth and the value is actually increasing more as more people are joining the network. Things like this are extremely bullish for Bitcoin, and things like this remind me once more on the Bitcoin price models, which are, at least some of them, are still holding holding steadily. And you can see that Bitcoin is holding here. The cumulative days destroyed for Bitcoin after breaking below the realized cap every single time. Bitcoin breaking below the orange line, the realized cap, we are holding this line, and that's exactly what we are doing right now. If you are asking me, we are not in the I can't be wrong. We are not in the beginning, in my opinion, my humble opinion, of a multi-year bear market. I think we already have a bear market for almost 2 years. Bitcoin hit an all-time high in April 2021. The second all-time high was not a real all-time high. We actually had more inflation than the price growth between April and November last year. So we are in this bear market for way more than 1.5 years. Dear ladies and gentlemen, if you ask me, it's time to scoop up some Bitcoin. Maybe I'm wrong, but you can let me know. Thank you for liking, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching until the very end, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.